In this game type, you will move your avatar through the maze, collect all of the goals, and avoid hazards to win the game. First, you will need to draw your game. Grab a white piece of paper and black, green, blue, red, and purple markers. We recommend using the Pixicade Mobile Game Maker markers because they are specially colored to work in the widest variety of lighting scenarios, so your photos come out just right. You can get Pixicade markers by buying the Pixicade box kit, or you can buy them individually on Amazon. Use black to create the walls and boundaries of your maze. Use green to draw your avatar or characters. Make sure your avatar will fit into all parts of the level. The avatar cannot go through black walls or floors. Use blue to draw the goals your avatar needs to collect. Your avatar must collect all blue goals to win the game. Maze Maker games do not have gravity, so goals will stay in place. Use red to draw hazards and opponents. If an avatar hits anything red, it is game over. Use purple to draw things you want to move. Purple shapes will not be affected by gravity, but your avatar can push and move them. Once your drawing is ready, click Create on the home screen. Then scroll and click the Maze Maker button to take your picture. Line up the camera, make sure you have good lighting, and nothing else is in the picture except your drawing. If your picture looks good in the preview, click Next. Now you are in the photo editor. Here you can crop, flip, and rotate your photo. When you're done editing your photo, click Create to finish uploading your game. It will take about 30 seconds for your game to load. Your avatar can move around in any direction using joystick controls. The snail button in the right corner will slow down your avatar for better control. Your avatar must collect all blue goals to win the game, but if it touches red, it's game over. You can use power-ups to edit and enhance your game. Play around to explore all of the awesome things you can do with power-ups, or read the books that came in the Pixicade Mobile Game Maker kit for in-depth instructions on how to use many of the power-ups. If your game is too hard or you're unhappy with it, try again with a new drawing. Trial and error is part of the game design process. If you have any more questions, you can email us at support@bitogenius.com, and we are happy to help you. Enjoy creating and playing your own video games with Pixicade Mobile Game Maker.